Being interested in machine learning, I not only wanted to do computer science engineering, but also wanted to do computer science engineering specializing in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Hi, I'm Akshay. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm from computer science engineering, decision science with machine learning specialization. I recently participated in a hackathon conducted by Quantiphi. All of the subjects that we learn are practical oriented, the subjects that are relevant in the machine learning industry. We only read practical subjects with a few theoretical subjects that are essential. And with these practical subjects, we got to know about machine learning models and different algorithms, and that I've used in this hackathon right now. The subjects that are taught here are extremely important as they teach the practical aspect of doing what you're supposed to do. We are honing our skills in what is necessary according to the current trend in the industry, according to the current practices in the industry. That personally has benefited me great and helped me with the hackathon that I participated in. And doing this will actually put me ahead of the competition when it comes to placements, because we have hands-on experiences with all these projects and we've got practical skills. And with that, with my score in the LPU Nest examinations, I got a 40% scholarship, which was greatly beneficial, and that is why I chose LPU.